Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing an upgraded air intake from K&N on a 2019 Ram 1500. It's the one I got here. Part number 631561. Got this from Pep Boys. Okay, so let's see what comes inside the box. Cone. Got the heat shield and the seal that goes around the edge of the heat shield. Plastic tubing and little adapters and all the clamps and ties with screws. Other part of the shield. Alright, let's see. Alright, so first step, taking off your old one. You're gonna unscrew the old tube top of the motor. Doesn't have to be super loose, but I want to make sure you have plenty of room to play with. And take off the sensor in the back, just push in and pull out. Take off this there, and all this is real simple. It just pulls up. It's only stuck on by grommets, so there's your old one. There's also one last piece of it. Just kind of pull it loose from the front of the old intake. Take that out. Next, you're gonna have to take off your engine cover. Do that. You got one screw here, one screw there. But also might be a good idea to put a rag over your intake so you don't get anything inside it. You gotta pull right out. There it is. You disconnect your tube from the engine also. Pull right off. There it is. So after you get your hose out, you're going to take this extension hose that comes with your kit. You're going to cut off the little adapter and mount that hose on there, because you're going to need a little extra reach when you put down your hose back in. Make sure you get it back in there tight. Don't want any leaks. You can go ahead and put your engine cover back on. There's two little arrows that'll line up in the back. And then you can screw your screws back in. When you're setting your heat shield up, you want to make sure you grab the correct side piece. So this one is for 2012 and older, which I won't need. This one is for 2013 and newer. And you're just going to mount it up on the side here with all the how many screws it gives you. To get all your side screws put in, you're going to take your adapter, put it on the inside there. You have two more screws. Let's screw that in right here. All these come with washers, so don't forget to put those in. There you go. You're going to take your rubber seal, slide it around the edge. It's kind of tricky to get over the little bends, but once you get it on there, it stays pretty well. So you're just going to work your way around it. Don't go too fast so you don't miss any miss any little crevice. Alright, you can go ahead and hook up your tube, slide that over the intake, and you tighten down your clamp. You have a little harness extension. Plug this side to the factory one, and then the other side into your sensor. Make sure you take your hose that you installed earlier and attach it to the bottom of your tube. Put on your clamp. Slide it up in there real good. And tighten it down. After that's tight, got another clamp. This one's already on there. Put this one around. To the direction. Slide in your housing. Seal. Slip that around. Tighten your screw. Make sure it's on there straight. Alright, so I got the tubing hooked on here, got this tightened up, bottom hose put on. Back I got the mass airflow sensor put back in. Over here I connected the heat shield to the frame right there, that bracket. And just gotta put the filter in. Oh. And tighten it down. Let's see how it sounds.